Hello, in this video I will show you how to protect your posts and videos in Twitter, which is called X. Let's open the Twitter first. So once you open the Twitter, click on your profile picture and then click on the setting and sport. Click on the setting and privacy and then click on the privacy and safety. After that, you need to click on the audience and tagging. Click on that, and here you can see that protect your post. Only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post. You need to click on the toggle bar to the right side, and similarly protect your videos, which is only can be seen by the people you approve. So you need to click on that toggle bar. Moreover, click on the photo tagging, and here you need to click on the off, so no one can tag you. If you select this option, then it means that only the people you follow can tag you. So in this way you can protect your post and videos in Twitter X. I hope this video helps you. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.